Hey guys, welcome again to another YouTube video of mine, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to get the CapCut Pro for free. To get the CapCut Pro for free, I'll be showing you two ways you are going to get it. The first method is by importing your clip into the CapCut app, and after using all the Pro features, from enhancing your voice to relighting your videos to removing background to using some animations. After that, you are going to screen record your video. You are going to screen record your video on CapCut. After screen recording, you are going to import that into your CapCut app to resize. Okay, enough of talking. Okay, let's go into CapCut right now in order to show you the practical aspect of this. Guys, this is a short video I'll be using for the practical aspect. So as you can see here, there's no Pro at the top of my CapCut. So let's click on edit, then let's click on auto reframe. You can see that there's Pro at the top of auto reframe. So I'm going to resize it to TikTok aspect ratio, or should I use Instagram? Okay, I decided to use the TikTok aspect ratio. Then I'm going to mark it in order to save it up. Then let's look for another Pro feature that we can use. Relight. Should I use relight? Okay, let me click on it. Relight. Okay, I clicked on relight. Then I'm just going to pick this permeable. Then I'm going to do my arrow to this side. Yes. And I'm going to mark it. So, and you see the relight is already showing on top of my cap. Yes, I'm going to bring something like this for us. You are using the following premium features. So I'm going to click on the X and I'm going to screen record the video. I'm going to screen record this, then I'm going to import it back into CapCut in order to resize it. I'm going to come back to my CapCut in order to import the video I just edited, which I screen recorded. So I'll click on a new project, then I'm going to add it to my CapCut. Then I'm going to split it here because I want to remove the place at which I screen recorded it. I'm going to click on the splitted parts and delete. So this is the video. So let's, at the end too, I'm going to split also, then delete. So this is the video, can you see? Then I'm going to click on edit, look for transform, resize. I'm going to resize the video. I'm going to resize it. I'm going to resize it. Okay, so it is done. So can you see now, like this video is having a Pro feature, and I'm going to click on export. So this is the video. Can you see? So that's all for the first method, and the second method is by getting an application that already have the Pro features. So for you to get this application, join my Telegram channel below this video in order to get the application. So guys, thanks for watching my video. If you have really gotten value from this video, don't forget to smash the subscribe button right now and like this video. Thank you.